everyone, welcome to the channel. I received a question. Someone asked how to install Shopify app on your mobile phone. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get Shopify app on your Android and start managing your store on the go. Shopify is e-commerce platform where entrepreneurs open up e-commerce store to sell their products and services. So to install the app, you select from Google Play Store, Android, select Google Play Store, then type Shopify. Shopify app, select on it. Shopify sell online, install. So it's downloading. So once the app installed, you open the app, you will be prompted to enter your store URL, the email address associated with your account, and your password. After you log in, you can access your store data. And things you can do with Shopify app, you can manage your order, handle products. So select open. This is the app. It's getting ready. Start selling online with Shopify, the commerce platform trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. Create your online store, grow your audience, accept in-person payments. Then you select get started or sign in. Sign in if you already have an account, or select get started. Then once you select get started, they will ask you put your email address, and also you have start your free trial. So you get 3 days free, then 3 months for £1 per month. So, but also you scroll down to select your region. You can select your regions where you reside or where your store is based. So you can select your region. I'm currently in United Kingdom, so UK is select. So you select your country or region, then go back, then put your email address. Once you put your email address, then you sign in, or you can also sign in with Gmail or with Apple or with Facebook. If you already have an account, then you select sign in. So this is how to install the app. And once you install the app, give you option for you to create. So the most important thing, just put your email address, put your password. Once you put your email address, it will ask you enter your password. Then you enter your password and follow the instruction. So many things you can do: fulfill order, print shipping label, process refund, track and view fraud analysis, add new products with photo, edit details, price, manage inventory by scanning barcode, and organize items into collection. View real-time sales reports, track store traffic, compare performance across different sales channels, create Facebook, Instagram ad, manage Google Smart Shopping campaign, and write blog post. So these are the things you can do. View and edit customer details, add notes to their profile, directly contact them, make special discounts code for holidays or promotes, and monitor how well they are being used. So these are the things you can perform, you can do. And for smooth experience, keep the app updated. App update includes new features, important bug fix. If you install from Google Play Store, turn on automatic updates. If you use APK, remember to check for new version periodically. And also stability and performance. As with any app, you might occasionally experience minor bug or lag. If you do, try closing and restarting the app. If you run into any problem you can't solve, Shopify offers 24/7 customer support. You can find help articles, community forum, and contact information in the Shopify Help Center. With the Shopify app on your phone, you are never far from your business. You can manage daily tasks, seize new opportunities, and keep your store running smoothly no matter where you are. So this is how to install Shopify app on your mobile phone. Thank you very much indeed.